For years, the Iron Dome was seen as Israel's invisible shield. Until now. In just 4 days, that shield cracked. Between June 13th and 17th, Iran launched one of the most intense missile barrages in recent Middle Eastern history. Hundreds of ballistic missiles, drones, and cruise missiles were fired, many aimed straight at Israel's urban centers and military strongholds. Israel's Iron Dome and other air defense layers responded. But this time, not everything made it through unscathed. Multiple Iranian missiles breached the system, striking targets in Tel Aviv and killing civilians. First reason, saturation attack. Iran launched more threats than the Iron Dome could track or intercept at once. The system was simply overwhelmed by the sheer volume, especially with mixed threats arriving at different altitudes and speeds. Second reason, faster, smarter missiles. These weren't short-range rockets. Iran used medium-range ballistic missiles capable of high-speed re-entry, giving Israeli defenses less time to react. Combined with drone swarms and decoys, it created chaos in the sky. Third reason, coordinated timing and tactics. Missiles were launched in waves, timed to bypass or confuse Israel's layered defense systems. In some cases, Iron Dome batteries may have misfired or been forced to prioritize certain threats, letting others slip through. Even with an 80 to 90% interception success rate, this recent attack proved one thing clearly: no defense system is foolproof. Under the right pressure, even the Iron Dome can break. What we're seeing isn't just a technical failure, it's a turning point in modern warfare, where quantity, speed, and timing can punch through even the most advanced shield.